This is a tough little storage bag for your camping and four-wheel drive expeditions. It's the AOS rear drawer storage bag in the small size. Let's check it out.
Hit it.
Ben from Snowy's here, folks. Today with the AOS rear drawer storage bag. This is the small size bag here. These are a heavy duty little storage option, which they're designed to use for rear drawers in a four-wheel drive, but realistically you can use it for any of your camping and four-wheel drive expeditions. Doesn't have to be a four-wheel drive, wagon, or even storage in your shed. Now this is what they look like. This weighs about 530 grams and it's an Australian made product. Even the canvas is a 14-ounce Australian made canvas, all put together with a heavy duty cotton thread in here. A clear PVC top so you can see the contents inside. There's a heavy duty number 10 coil zip on here, which has actually got a little lockable feature on here, so you can push these together and put a padlock in between. If I can just get them together, you can put a padlock through there to lock the contents inside. And on the ends are a couple of nylon straps with a heavy duty sort of plastic or slightly soft plasticky rubber grab handle, and they feature on each end. Inside the bag, there's a little divider. If we open this up, we can see that we've got Velcro strips running along the bottom and along each side here, and they work with this little divider here. So if we pull this out, I'm just going to put it up on the bench here. If we pull this out, this has got three little Velcro tabs on the sides here, so we can actually adjust this to any position in the bag here. So I can put it further to this end if I like. It attaches on the bottom, on the sides, to keep it upright, and that way we've sort of segmented what we can store inside the storage bag here now. And what you want to store in these, I suppose, is entirely up to you. This is probably a good size for more sort of tools or maybe utensils or kitchen items and that sort of thing that you can keep sort of very handy in the back of the car. Just to give you a bit of a reference, I've got a few just kitchen items here. So just a basic kettle that I can tuck in the end there. I might put the divider in between that so that the kettle doesn't slide around or get banged up by stuff next to it. I can then get a couple of quite large mugs to tuck in next to it there, and a little billy, so I've still got a bit of space in there. I could probably put maybe some coffee or something there as well if I like. A bit of my camp oven lid lifter I can just sort of tuck down the side there, and you just got to work it around put it underneath the kettle and work it around the divider there, so the divider still stays in place to protect the kettle. Do all that up, I've got a bit of a kit for a hot drinks roadside stop, I suppose. I can keep that accessible in the back of the car, pick it up, nice and easy to handle. The canvas is nice and stiff and it keeps it pretty well protected. So this is a really handy little bag for a myriad of uses. You might find it doesn't have the same use each time you go on a camping trip, but it's just the right size to store in just a handy spot in the back of your car, footwell of your car, or just an accessible spot. The best thing is they're Australian made. You can grab them online at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel, send you all of our latest information, or check out some other products like this one down here.